My name's Nate. My dad died in a horrible shipwreck. Now I have to live with my mean Uncle Storch. Eliza! Get over here! Where's my tea?
Yes, master. What did you need, sir?
Tea!
Tea? I will be right on it, sir.
No!
Sir, here's your tea.
Thank you!
I'm gonna go check on my son. Theo, what are you doing out? You were always supposed to stay inside. You know if the mean Mr. Storch finds you, you'll be in big trouble. He cannot see you. Stay hidden, please.
Who threw that stick at me? It was me. Oh.
Okay, keep going.
It was me.
You!
Ah!
No, please don't hurt him. Please don't hurt him.
Ah!
Nate,
I gotta get
you
out
gotta
of
get out of here, Nate. Get on a boat. Nate? Nate, is that you?
Pull.
What are you doing in Rhode Island?
I just ran away from my mean Uncle Storch because he was being super mean.
Did you get the letters I sent you? I tried to send you so many letters.
No, that grumpy old man didn't give me a single piece.
Oh my goodness, so you ran away, huh? Well, maybe you should stick with me. I'll take care of you. I'll teach you how to shoot, and I'll keep you safe.
Let's get to the teaching on how to shoot.
Okay, you need all these supplies, and it goes like this. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, good. Hey, we have to be careful because the soldiers are coming soon, and so we need to make it up to the base. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's soldiers! There are soldiers! Ah! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna run back to base!
I'm gonna grab this Hessian's clothes for disguise. Then we can run back to the base. Okay, come on, let's go.
Oh, thank goodness we made it back safely. That was close. Whew, I promise I'll keep you safe.
Sir, your mean Uncle Storch has sadly passed away of smallpox.
So what does that mean?
So what does that mean? That means that you get all of his land, food, and get his slaves. Oh, I better get back so I can free those slaves. Hi, you guys are now freed.
Oh, thank you. And they all lived happily ever after. The end.